What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Freddy Fazbear as Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top. You want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye for the pupils. So we'll start on the top left, come all the way around, and then up. Now I'll switch to my thick black marker and fill that trim around the eyes. In between the eyes along the bottom, we're going to add a curve for the nose. We're going to go up and then down. From the ends, we're just going to angle this down and in towards the center point. And again, we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's go to the tip of the nose, draw a straight line coming down. Go out towards the corners of the nose. We're going to bend the muzzle, going out, come around the bottom, and then up in the center. Along the bottom, I'm just going to add the mouth, coming down, and then up. Let's add 3 spots on either side. And then we'll move up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Let's start with the left side. We're just going to curve around the eye and then down and line it up on the right. On the end, I'm just going to round this out, bend this in and then down towards the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now I want to surround the face with a large circle for the head. We're going to start at the very top in the middle. Let's start with a point. Start with the left side. We're going to go all the way around the eyebrow and eye. Come down along the side. Now I'm just going to tuck this in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Going around, come down along the side, and we'll bend that in. Let's move up to the top and draw on the hat. We're going to start with 2 lines on either side. Close off the top with a curve. Let's step in, draw 2 lines going up toward the top of the hat. Just going to round this out. And 1 more curve along the bottom for the ribbon. Along the side of the head, we're going to detach the ears from the head. So we're going to start on the left side. We're going to start with a straight angled line coming down and out, leaving a gap along the inside. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the left side and draw the ear, going all the way around like a circle, and we'll bring that back in. Let's connect the ears to the head with 2 straight angled lines. And we want to trace the ears along the inside. Now, with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight angled line, coming all the way down towards the bottom, to right about there. Go to the right side, bring that down towards the same height, and it'll flatten off the bottom. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the bow tie. We'll start underneath the chin with an oval, right in the middle. From the bottom left, we're going to bend this down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's curve the side of the bow tie going up underneath the chin. Now we're going to add that patch in the center of the body. Let's start on the left side underneath the tie. We're going to come down, round this out, and go back up. Now let's go over towards the left side. We're going to draw the hand holding the microphone. So we're going to start up here, start with a curve. Let's draw the first finger, rounding this out, and then bend that out. Let's move down, add the second finger, coming around and up. Now we're going to go back up to the top, round out the hand, come down towards the bottom finger, and then we'll tuck that in. Along the top, let's draw in a circle. And then along the bottom, draw two straight lines, coming down in behind the hand, continue down along the bottom, and then we'll round this out. Let's go back up to the top, draw two straight lines going across the middle. Now we're going to add the thumb along the inside, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Freddy Fazbear as Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.